Making some really cool stuffed peppers, okay? And we're literally gonna make them like a pumpkin with like almost like zombie brains coming out of it, okay? So this is a perfect way to get your kids to eat vegetables, okay? So we got the girls, bring it nice and close so you guys can see, but we got the girls to pick out what face they wanted on their pepper. So we have it basically like a pumpkin. Here's a happy guy here. And then we have a little bit of an angry guy here. So they got to pick the face they wanted on their pepper. Okay, and then we're gonna add some zucchini noodles. Basically, the recipe for this is spaghetti in a pepper. Okay, so we've mixed it up. We switched it up. So it's still gonna be spaghetti in a pepper, but we're using noodles. Okay, this is a zucchini from our garden, and we got it all noodled up, and we're gonna shove it in our peppers, and we're gonna make some stuffed peppers with pumpkin faces and brains coming out from the top. It's gonna be, because you need like a little opening for the heat to come out when you cook it, right? So it's gonna look like a little brains coming out at the top. It's gonna be really cool. Okay, so that's how we're gonna do this. We're gonna put it all together. All right, so we're gonna start off by taking the tops off, okay? And like literally, it's just like hollow inside pepper, like you would with stuffed pepper, right? And then we're gonna put our zoodles inside, okay? Put our zoodles inside. Okay. So we got our stuffed peppers all filled up to the top here with some zoodles. Then we're gonna add. So we cooked up some ground pork. Okay, because you can put beef in it. I personally don't eat beef because we don't. I don't eat beef. And it doesn't sit well in my stomach. Let's just say that. And we use that homemade marinara sauce that we made yesterday for the witch's fingers. We just mixed it in with that, so it's like our little spaghetti sauce here. Okay, and we're gonna add some of that. We're filling it right up. Okay. Then we got our mozzarella cheese. So we have a little bit of mozzarella cheese shredded up. We're gonna put some on the inside here, not much, just some. Cheesy within. And we're gonna put our tops back on, like so. Boom, like so. Boom, and we're gonna put the rest of the cheese out here, so it's like brains. It's gonna look like brains. Okay, so I'll bring one over so you guys can get like a really good look at it. There you go. Here is our stuffed pepper with our pumpkin face and our brains coming out. Isn't that really cool? So this is like a really cool way to try and get your kids to eat some vegetables if they're kind of on the I'm not eating vegetable side. And then what you could do is you literally just melt down cheese, okay? Add a little bit of coconut oil with the meltdown cheese, or olive oil, like a little bit of oil or butter, okay, with the cheese. You make it like a little bit of a cheese sauce, okay? And once this is cooked, what you can do is that you can actually pour the cheese sauce over, so it's like blood, you know. You can also add food coloring that's red to it, and it's just the guts, okay, coming out. Boys really like that. My girls are really into that kind of thing too. All right, so then your pepper is cheese covered as well, and then it's peppers covered in cheese, right? And it's good. It's healthy for them. Cheese is a healthy, natural fat, and same with the butter and the olive oil, coconut oil, whatever you use with it to kind of give it a little bit more liquidy feel to it. So you can even use coconut milk. Not all kids like the taste of coconut milk. That's why I'm like, let's go with an oil. But yeah, that's our little stuffed pepper.